In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit a PDF document for free. So if you find any value in this video, please, after watching, just kindly subscribe. So for you to edit a PDF document, we're going to be using Canva. So simply come to canva.com, and it's going to bring you, if you don't have an account, please make sure to create one. And when you create one, you're going to be brought to a screen like this. And the first thing you want to do is to click on Create Design and come down and choose Custom Size and choose 794 by 1123. Just click 794 and here height 1123. So click on Create Design. So immediately you are brought to a screen like this. What you now want to do is to come to your left, click on Uploads, and you want to upload the document. I'm going to click and I'm going to upload this particular document. It's going to upload. It's going to come under Projects. You're going to see it under Projects. You could still come under Projects and click on Create Folder, but I prefer to do it under Uploads. And this is the document. I'm just going to click on it. And you see, we now have it on my file on this particular design. Now, if I go back to my file manager here and I click on this document, you see that it's actually a PDF document. You can't upload it. You can't edit it, rather. You can upload it, but you can't edit it. I'll close this. I'll come back here and I'm just going to come down here and increase to scale it up. Now you can edit it. You can click on it and you can change stuff there. You can add more. Let's see, I can change this to management salary rather. And then if I close this, all I need to do is to drag this and then bring this back up here. I see it. So there you have it. I'm editing the document. I can click here to edit stuff. I can see 18,000. I can add dollars there. I can also delete stuff. I can delete this entire paragraph. I can delete this particular one and just delete that. I can drag this paragraph up. I can increase the size of this. Increase the size. And I'll just enlarge this for it to fill and stay on the same line. And then after that, I can simply come to share. And you see I have this screen here. I'm going to click on download and make sure to choose file type as PDF standard. And then I'm just going to download. You don't need Canva Pro for this. You can use the Canva free version for it. And you see, it just downloaded. If I now come, this is what was just downloaded now. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.